A very good day to all my lovely friends. Welcome back. Today's recipe is very delicious Afghani chicken. It's mild in spices and everyone will enjoy it. Even the kids would love to have it. You can serve it with naans, rotis, or the gravy version also can be paired with rice as well. So I'm going to show you a simplified version which you can make very easily. And believe me, when you cook, the whole house is full of aroma of spices, and when you serve it to your friends, they'll think it's from a restaurant, not homemade. So shall we get started and make this Afghani chicken? Here I've taken 500 grams of chicken, leg and thigh pieces. Wash them very well and make gashes on them so that they get marinated very well. Here are the ingredients for grinding. 1 small bunch of coriander leaves, 2 or 3 green chillies, 1-inch piece of ginger, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 2 medium-sized onions, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. Then for the yogurt mixture, we'll require yogurt 3 to 4 tablespoons, Garam masala powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, Kasoori methi 1 tablespoon, Cumin powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon. Other ingredients we'll require are fresh cream 3 tablespoons, oil 4 to 5 tablespoons or as needed, ghee clarified butter 1 teaspoon, 4 cardamoms, green cardamoms, and 1 stick cinnamon, 1 bay leaf cut into pieces. Peel and cut onions and chop up all the ingredients for grinding. Transfer them into the grinder jar. We are going to grind them like chutney. Add salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add sufficient water, around half or 3/4 cup. Close the lid and grind it. Remove it into a bowl. Now in another bowl, put yogurt and whisk it. Add the Kasoori methi and all the spice powders mentioned. Cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder. Give them a nice mix. Now we are going to mix the ground paste together. Combine them together and whisk them very well. So our mixture for the gravy and marination is ready. 3/4 of the mixture, remove it separately in a bowl and set it aside for the gravy. The balance 1/4 we are going to use for marination. Put the chicken pieces into this. Coat them very well and set this aside at least for 1 hour. If you have more time, it's much better to keep it for a few hours. Even overnight you can keep it. Now add half the ghee in the pan and some oil. Dip in the whole spices, the cardamoms, cinnamon and bay leaf. Reduce the flame and let them give out a nice aroma. Now add the gravy paste. Stir it and cover the lid. we are going to let it simmer. You can see the oil is floating on top. After a few minutes, open the lid and give it a stir again. Add little salt to taste. Mix it with a spatula. Add some water, about say 3/4 cup. Mix them together and let them simmer. After a couple of minutes, you can see that it's simmering and the oil has floated on top. Now you can set this aside. Later we are going to add the chicken pieces and cook them together. Now in a pan, add little ghee and allow it to melt. Add some oil also. Now dip in the marinated chicken pieces. We are going to fry these before putting them into the gravy. Cover the lid and let them fry. The remaining marination can go into the gravy later. We'll fry it a bit and add it to the gravy. Frequently open the lid and turn the sides. Do this a couple of times and fry them this way until they change the color and become golden brown. It's nearly done. Lovely color. Now the chicken pieces are ready to be put into the gravy and simmered together. Bring the gravy to a boil and add the fried chicken pieces into the simmering gravy. You can discard the whole spices now. They have done their job. All the aroma is into the gravy now. Cover and cook on low flame until it is done. In between, you can flip it a couple of times. Finally, add some fresh cream, 2 or 3 tablespoons as you like, and quickly give it a mix with the ladle so that it doesn't curdle. After adding the cream, do not overcook, just 1 or 2 boils and it's done. Check the taste and adjust the flavors. It's super delicious. There's such a lovely aroma. Yummylicious Afghani chicken is ready. It pairs very well with naans. So make and enjoy. Those who are new to the channel, do subscribe to see such delicious recipes. Check out more videos in the playlist shown here and stay tuned for the next recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.